smooth, isn't it?
This is the tram train service to Cathedral. The next stop by request will be Rotherham Central.
Yeah. £3, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That'd be about 12.
Right, I do.
Next shot here.
Yeah, that. Let's get this here. Oh yeah. Yellow building.
Depot. Tram depot.
All right.
Sometimes change the staff here.
Yeah, that was Parkgate. We've just gone over there.
Trouble? Right.
It's good match.
Well, that would have flats. What?
From what's due.
Yeah. And Forge.
Remember, Wimpy used to be there.
What?
Wimpy. There.
Bowling Road, weren't it? Up
Yeah,
here.
yeah, that was the
Yeah.
statue.
A week's wages, wasn't it? Those women here.
This was all in road here.
Yeah.
All in.
Little.
That what Castle Market down there. You remember that? We used to have a bridge over there.
Have we ain't gone far. Traffic light, yeah. Oh, green bus.
This is the tram train service to Cathedral. The next stop will be Cathedral, where this service terminates.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it?
Cathedral, where this service terminates.
Yeah.
It's that ding-a-ling-a-ling.
What will you say?
You missed that ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling?
You hear it?
No.
It's making a bell noise, tram.
Oh, like a old tram thing.
Yeah.
can't be stick. Oh, wow. Bamboo. Probably tell you on there what plants are. Winter garden.
22.
What's that on European competition? Oh.
I got you don't remember that foot.
Yeah, but only. Oh,
It's wrong colour.
yeah. I know you think they've been.
Yeah, I'll have to.
This is the tram train service to Parkgate. The next stop by request will be Castle Square. This is the tram train service to Parkgate. The next stop by request will be Fitzallen Square. Tram train service to Parkgate. This is the tram train service to Parkgate. The next stop by request will be Hyde Park.
We're coming to that quayside soon. I'm gonna miss it.
That's it, there we are. Turn it back that way then. That one down there.
Is the tram train service to Parkgate. The next stop will be Parkgate, where this service terminates.
Terminates.
You'll,
Did he say terminates or exterminates?